In this question, let m is equal to sine की power 4 theta 1 plus cos square theta minus 1 minus sin square theta and cos की power 4 theta is equal to alpha I plus beta m inverse. So here they have given a matrix where alpha is equal to alpha of theta and beta is equal to beta of theta are real numbers, and I is the 2 cross 2 identity matrix. If alpha star is the minimum of the set where alpha of theta belongs to theta, alpha of theta colon and theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi, and beta is also belonging to 0 to 2 pi, and beta star is the minimum of the set. So what we have to find is alpha minimum plus beta minimum is. So let's solve this question. So this condition we have given in the question. So m square is equal to alpha m plus beta I. So what we have done is, if you multiply m on both the side, it will become m square, and I into m will become alpha into m, and this m into m inverse will become I. So it became beta I. Now simply substitute the value of matrix m in the given in this question, in this equation. So what we will get is a11 will become this, and a21 became this. So what you get, the condition of alpha as alpha is equal to sine की power 4 theta cos की power 4 theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta, which become this. So alpha minimum will become our 1 by 2. Similarly, we will solve the beta. Then what you will get, that beta is equal to minus 2 minus sin square theta by 4 minus sin की power 4 theta by 16. So simply replace sin theta by t, and then find the beta minimum. Then what you will get it, minus 37 by 16. So add these two minimum, alpha plus beta, it will come to be minus 29 by 16.